Why is the Wi-Fi not working?
Maybe the internet is tired?
Don't joke. I have a meeting.
Relax. Maybe it's slow today.
It says wrong password.
Oh, that sounds serious.
Who changed it?
Not me.
Really?
Yes, I love free internet.
We both use it.
Exactly. Sharing is caring.
Stop joking. Tell me the truth.
Okay, maybe I changed it.
What?
Just a little change.
Why?
Security.
You never untreated hackers!
Security?
Yes, hackers are everywhere.
We live in a small house.
Hackers can be small, too.
What is the new password?
It's easy.
Tell me.
It's I love my girlfriend. 1, 2, 3.
That's it?
Yes, romantic, right?
I typed that.
Oh,
It didn't work.
maybe small letters?
I tried everything.
Did you add a symbol?
What symbol?
A heart.
A heart?
Yes, very secure.
Still wrong.
Wait, maybe I changed it again.
You did what?
Just to test my memory.
Do you remember it?
No.
Unbelievable.
But I wrote it somewhere.
Where?
On my phone.
Good. Check it.
Uh-oh.
What now?
My phone needs Wi-Fi.
I done.
Wait, don't leave me!
We have no internet.
We have each other?
You are so annoying.
But funny, right?
A little.
So, dinner together?
Only if you fix the Wi-Fi.
Deal.
And don't change the password again.
Never again, maybe.
I heard that.
Just joking.
Guys, do you know the password?
Comment below and help us. And don't forget to like and subscribe.
Halo teman-teman, welcome to Semua Bisa Bahasa Inggris. Di sini, learning English is fun, simple, and for everyone. Yuk belajar bareng supaya makin percaya diri ngomong bahasa Inggris. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell. Let's get started!